To the folks involved with cannabis legalization, do you worry that the effective tax rate on cannabis will make the state non-competitive with what I'll euphemistically call established alternative markets? A hallmark, if you will, of a number of these rollouts nationwide has been that state taxes have essentially made the product almost irrelevant in the marketplace. And then I've got two quick follow-ups.
Robert, I'll take that.
Go ahead.
So the first states to legalize marijuana adopted fairly high tax rates. And so that was 33% in Colorado and as high as 47% in Washington state. And so states that have legalized more recently have generally adopted lower tax rates in line with the Rhode Island proposal. The goal is to be competitive with these alternative markets while also raising enough revenue to adequately fund the regulatory and public health needs from the adult use marijuana.
Have you actually performed any market studies? And I say that with a smile, but you know, it's a realistic issue.
We're part of a coalition of states who all share information on the market, their market studies and whatever else information that they have, so that we can all understand what's worked and what hasn't worked. And so there's about 15 states in that we work with. So that's how best we share information.
I guess I was with a smile saying the market being a variety of street corners and a variety of private influences in Rhode Island. But question, why limit the rollout and the scope of the initial offering? Wouldn't it be more appropriate, given that there's an established business model in liquor stores, just to get this out as quickly as possible?
So the governor's proposal aims to roll out adult use retail licenses while maintaining a close eye on public health and safety. I think we're all concerned about that. The 3-year phased rollout of 75 licenses will result in a recreational retail density roughly comparable to Colorado and Washington state, both of which do have mature recreational markets and had been between 7 and 8 retail stores per 100,000 people, and in year 3 after their market launch. So Rhode Island's proposal would result in a little over 7.1 retail storefronts per 100,000 people by year 3 of implementation. And so rolling out these incremental controlled manner in an incremental and controlled manner will allow the state to monitor impact on the overall market and adjust policies and regulations as needed.
And then the final question, particularly in the first year, the potential for these licenses and these establishments could be quite lucrative, depending what market prices turn out to be. Will there be an attempt by the state to prevent, if you will, revolving door / insider / nepotism style purchases of these licenses? Will they be done at true arm's length, and will they be conducted in a completely transparent manner?
Just like we are with the compassion centers, there will be a vetting with lots of information submitted by the applicants, and all that information will be online and transparent, and we'll perform a lottery just as we are with the current setup.